brought out Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. So there are some questions asked about the Papa, the sin, and how it is translated in our Sanatana Dharma. So some people have expressed this car recordings thinking that I am driving. Generally I never drive. Most of the people who follow me knows that I have always driven by Partha Sarathi. So I am a Partha, sit next to the Sarathi and do all these recordings. So the question is the Papa, sin, I am born of sin and all those things, and the mantra from a Pradakshina mantra is taken for the proof, saying that we also think that we are born of sin. No. So this Pradakshina, there are 3 Pradakshinas typically we do, and there are 3 mantras which are associated with these 3 Pradakshinas. So it says, Yani yani cha papani janmantra krutani cha tani tani pranasyanti pradakshina pade pade. This is the first mantra. Then comes papoham papakarmaham papatma papasambhavaha trahimam krupaya deva saranagata vatsala. This is the second mantra. Then the third mantra is Anyatha saranam nasti tvameva saranam mama tasmat karunya bhavena raksha raksha maheshwara or raksha raksha janardana, depending on either he is holding the snake or snake is being held by him. So we see Shiva, Maheshwara, you see snake is on him. You see Vishnu, Vishnu is on the snake. So snake is there, snake is time, snake is having its coils, each coil is a cycle. It represents time basically, any snake represents time, that we know. So let us look into the meaning of these 3 slokas. So yani yani cha papani, whatever the papas, let us derive what is papa means at the end of this discussion. Janmantara kritani cha, so not in this janma, also other janma antara kritani cha, tani tani, yani and tani will go in sync, whichever, whatever papani janmantara krutani cha tani pranasyanti, on them they are all pranasyanti, they get destroyed. Pradakshina pade pade, pradakshina by going around in the cycle again and again, pradakshina pade pade again and again going in the cycle. So our life is looked at as cycles. There are multiple cycles of life which we are going through, and symbolically we are going around the God saying this and saying Krutanicha tani tani pranasyanti pradakshana pade pade. We are only declaring, we are not asking anything yet, we are not saying any removal of the sin or cleansing of the skin by the God or anything. Then we say papoham, papakarmaham, papatmam, papasambhavaha. So papa is the cause, papa is the defect, papa is making me believe what I am, papatma, papasambhava. Trahi mam krupaya deva. Here trahi is to deliver, cross me over. Trahi mam krupaya deva. Trata Gayatri or tra, or releasing or crossing over. Make me cross over this Papa, Trahimam Krupaya Deva, by your grace, Krupaya Deva, Saranagata Vatsala. So God's one of the qualities, Saranagata Vatsalatvam. Whoever goes and asks for refuge in the God, in the Supreme Lord, he will make them cross over these papas. Okay, what is this crossing over? Is the next thing we have to understand. This is the second mantra. Third mantra, we are saying Anyatha Saranam Nasti. There is no other Saranam. Anyatha Saranam Nasti. Na Asti. Anyatha Saranam. There is no different Saranam which is there. Tvam eva Saranam Mama. You are the only person who can give refuge to me. You can take me as a refuge under you. Tvameva Saranam Mama. Tasmat, because of that, Karunya Bhavena, by the grace, Karunya, by compassion, protect and protect. Raksha, Raksha. 2 times it is. Raksha, Raksha. Maheshwara. Janardana. Whatever we can put it. 4 letters, which will put into the Chandas also, no problem, without any problem. So, what is Papa, finally? Papa is the obstacle which is not allowing us to see the supremacy of the Lord, not allowing us to realize the nature of the Lord. So because that is not allowing us to realize the divine nature, our own divine nature, it is obstructing us, which is causing us the cycles of birth and death again and again. We are being born, we are being taken away from that current body, mind and intellect concept, and coming again, because not realizing the true nature of the divinity in us. So that is Papa. Papa is not the sin. Sin in the Western model of sin. And that sin is not single birth, single death, and will have to be cleansed by somebody's thing. No. Papas will go away going in this cycle, but we have to be avoiding the cycle itself. So, the delivering us away from this cycle, not the one of these minuscule actions which happens here as considered as sin and going around there. So, going around in the loop, not recognizing the true nature of the God or self, itself is Papa. So, this is a completely different paradigm altogether. The Pradakshina mantras have to be understood as Pradakshina mantras of going around in the cycles. And in these cycles, we are cleansed automatically going around in the cycles. Several cleansing process happens with the